Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the mystery token. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. It's actually trending number 7 right now on DEX Screener in the Ethereum section and trending number 4 on DEX Tools. You can also find it on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Very popular project. This token is based off of a Matt Furie character from the Knight Riders comic book. You probably know Pepe or Andy Landwolf Brett from the Boys Club comic book by Matt Furie. And so this character here, Mystery, is based off a different Matt Furie cartoon, comic, whatever you want to call it. We're going to go over the mystery token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is furies-mystery.com. Now it says, Mystery, the most memeable meme coin in existence. You wanted a second chance at Pepe? Join the community to find out what the mystery cult is all about. On their webpage, they have links to the charts, the Etherscan, Uniswap, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Twitter, Telegram, contract address. Everything is on their webpage, furies-mystery.com. It says the true name of the frog in the Knight Riders revealed, and it is Mystery. So Matt Furie's first publication, The Knight Riders, features 4 unique characters: a frog, a rat, a dragon, and a bat-rat-like creature. This wordless, dreamlike narrative follows these characters through a fantastical landscape, giving the absence of words in the book. There has been much speculation about the names of the characters. After substantial research, it has been revealed that the name of the frog in the Knight Riders is in fact Mystery, while the names of the 3 other main characters have also been uncovered. So it says here, in memory of WAT. So I did do a video on WAT actually a long time ago. So check out that token. I mean, that one could have gone to 0 for all I know at this point. I mean, that was a long time ago. Then we have here Ayana, Fox, Mystery, Hoodrat, and Toki. So Toki is a dragon token, and I will be posting a video actually on the Toki token, which is another very popular Ethereum meme coin, trending on DEX Tools, DEX Screener in the last couple days. So yeah, Toki and Mystery, very big projects on Ethereum. I'm not sure if these other characters were created into meme coins, Hoodrat, Fox, and Ayana, but maybe they are. But from what I've seen is just Toki and Mystery has been trending. So it says the most concrete piece of evidence is found in the book itself. While the body of the book contains only illustrations, the endnotes page features a very telling excerpt. In memory of WAT, thanks Ayana, Fox, Mystery, Toki, and Hoodrat. So WAT is Matt Furie's pet rat. Ayana is Matt Furie's partner. Fox, Matt Furie's other pet rat. And Mystery, Toki, and Hoodrat are strangely named characters. So it says, let's break them down and also consider that the Knight Riders includes 4 main characters: the frog, the rat, the dragon, and bat-like creature. Characters associated with Knight Riders, it keeps going on about this here. So it says, by process of elimination, Mystery is pegged as the frog, assuming Hoodrat is the bat, rat-like creature. This gets more interesting with the video segment where Matt Furie discusses the creation of the storyline of the Knight Riders while narrating the visual alternatives between the frog and rat riding a bike as shown in the book, and Matt Furie and his daughter riding a bike through the neighborhood. This suggests that Matt Furie identifies with the frog in the Knight Riders. Additionally, one of Matt Furie's characters from his Heads NFT collection has been named Mystery, and this figure is the orange hood named Mystery. It can be seen as the alter ego of Matt Furie himself. Therefore, Matt Furie, aka Mystery, is pseudonymous with the frog and the Knight Riders. And so then it keeps going with more and more evidence of, why this character, this frog, is named Mystery. We don't need to go over all that. We get it. So it says how to buy. If you wanted to buy this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, any wallet that could store ETH or Ethereum tokens. So you would download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You'd fund the wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, you go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Mystery token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, furies-mystery.com. Now, it doesn't say anything about, it says 0 taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay some gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now, it says total token supply, 420,690 billion tokens. They do have some Medium articles, contact email at the bottom of their webpage. Their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here at Furies Mystery. Just joined December 2024. Has a link to their webpage right there. You could easily find the contract address on the webpage. And it's actually in their pinned tweet as well. Real easy to find. 82 posts so far. Now, this token is doing very well right now. It has a market cap of $5.3 million. 24-hour trading volume of $5.8 million. Almost 3,900 transactions today. They're up 79% in the past 24 hours, and they have $362,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and 89% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And this is a brand new token that was just, the pair was just created on Uniswap one day, 18 hours ago. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.